Today is May. Oh, what? Today is June 3rd. What am I talking about? I'm tripping. Today's June 3rd, and today we're going on a hiking trip. Me and my friends are going on a hiking trip to something Canyon Fall. Some shit like that. I forgot. But I'm not a little behind, but I'm a little behind because my friend on his way. I already brushed my teeth, washed my face. I just need to lotion my legs, lotion my lips, put my shirt. I'm not really behind. I'm kind of already ready. Let's see. Is that him texting me? No, he said he's on his way 2 minutes ago. So, and I'm likely when he said he on his way, he on his way. Right? So let me sit this right here because I need to finish getting ready. Oh shit. Yeah, so it's the morning. I didn't eat breakfast, so hopefully we can go get breakfast. The place is like an hour away. Let me see what it's called again. Oh, it's called Millard Falls. It's a hike, and they have like this bomb ass waterfall there. I seen it on Instagram, and I was like, oh yeah, I gotta check it out, or we should check it out. And they was like, oh, you wanna go? And I'm like, yeah, but it's like an hour and something away. And he was like, okay, we could go. And I'm like, all right, bet. So that's why we leaving early, because it's 7:51. He said he should be here around 8. He should be here around 8. So I need to get myself together. Get myself together. I wonder how. Hey Siri, call Harmony.
Call in Harmony.
Let me make sure, because then we also, me and Harmony gotta, because we didn't want to come back to campus. So we got us a little, we got us a room. We might be going out tonight too. So I packed clothes to take. It's like everything. Oh, I need to moisturize my hair. What? I heard my door move. Let me set this shot up right here. Down on top of my books. The lighting in here is like not that good in this area right here, but it's not bad. Where my room keys at? Alright, so I'm gonna head out. I see y'all when I get in the car because I gotta carry all this shit. So yeah, that I moisturize my hair just a little bit. I ain't really do too much, but that's it. They gonna have to work with it, okay? Looking whooped. I'm gonna go mess with Cliff because that's like my favorite sport. Look at Harmony. Say good morning, Harmony.
Good morning.
Hey, Cliff.
Hi.
Oh, they in the car already? Hi. Hi, guys. Hey, y'all. Oh, big. Cliff. Cliff, we on the cliff. That was corny, huh? That was cute. It was cute, though. It was cute and corny. Am I right or am I right? Stop. That's not stop. You're not supposed to do that up here.
Exactly. There's nothing.
Damn.
Bushes.
Straight bushes.
And look at that car.
Oh my, the little Prius.
Y'all didn't see him just turn that way on purpose trying to be funny?
Yeah, don't drive us off the cliff.
For real. Get ready to open the door.
We gonna park here?
I think we could go higher. They said it's better if you park near a campsite. Because then we don't have to walk all the way back out and get your car. Ask these people. Yeah, they look like they know.
Excuse me. Ooh, is there any snakes over here?
Snakes? You gonna pick it up?
If it's a corn snake, I'll pick it up.
You gonna break it?
No.
You can break the snake.
That's so messed up.
If a snake try to bite me,
or just shut your fucking mouth.
you gonna twist the snake lips. Is there not a parking? Is there parking up there?
Kind of tight, but there's a good place to turn around.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I think it's a good place to turn around. Shut up, bitch. No, that was nice.
Why do you think
We asked about parking, not turning around. I already see where the bugs at. Where the bugs? Oh, you are so precious. Hi.
Thank you. Enjoy that repellent because I got bit a bunch of times.
Oh yes, I'm happy. Happy we bought it. Happy we got it. Top of the morning. Top of the morning. Top of the morning. Cliff, don't look at me like that.
Oh, you record.
Yeah.
Bringing that bag.
Why don't you get a mic?
This one? Yeah. A mic? I should, huh? I was gonna get one a while back, but I never did.
One of them small ones.
But I didn't know where I was gonna put it at.
Sorry.
Like, do you have to like twist it on or something?
There's somewhere you can clip on too.
And I need a case too, cause how did you accidentally drop it? See, look already. Can you put this on your face?
No, don't put that on your face.
I'm scared.
Here. I like the way that spray. Do me too, do me too. Now I'm scared because that lady scared me.
Jesus Christ.
Wrong.
That's why I was like, I'm dying in this cup. Oh, wait, come on. You got tape on your leg. You got your leg.
Y'all ready?
I don't think I'm gonna bring my water bottle. Are you gonna make it look nice? No. I think I'm good. Ain't nothing
Oh.
here I can really use for it.
Do y'all need some? For your arms.
So nobody's bringing their bag?
I'm bringing my bag.
Oh, make sure you got your ID. Oh, yeah.
Just in case.
I didn't even do mine.
Really?
My backpack. Cause I was gonna say girls, cause tonight. Yeah, of course.
You don't want no water?
Oh yeah, your feet might get wet.
I got my little.
Can I take one?
Oh yeah, I do got one. Huh?
Yeah, you want water. Wait, watch out, guys. It's the car.
Actually, do my water bottle. Let me bring my ice cream.
I should have put on a hat.
Top of the morning.
Why? I forgot to put on my sunscreen.
You know, Cliff. Let's go. Me and you. I'm stupid.
It's okay. It's okay.
That's like your lips black.
That's why
I don't care. Oh my God, the mountains look so beautiful. I can't wait for us to see the waterfall.
Yes, I'm so excited.
Yeah. That was excitement. Okay.
I want to go back.
What?
Take me home.
Party pooper. Boo. Tomatoes, tomatoes, tomatoes. Boo, tomatoes.
You know what's funny that somebody was doing before? She was like something, poor favor. Poor favor. At the same time, it's like, poor favor. Imagine one
Coming up. Oh my gosh.
No, I'm saying like, everything go down. Whole time you could have parked just like him in these bushes.
What? I told you to just spray some on your face. I ain't getting attacked no more. I don't feel nothing flying on me.
Me neither. I feel great, actually.
I'm chilling. Oh, look at a dandelion.
Y'all saw that video of those boys?
I wish a bitch would. Y'all know that video? The little girl, she was like, I wish a bitch would. And her mom was like, hey. This looks so beautiful. Why my camera look ashy? Let me see. Oh, Harmony said yeah. Cause my gay ass show was gonna look for you. To be in nature, to be out in the wild, you hear the birds chirping. Ooh, shit almost slid.
Don't do that. I should have also worn the other shoes. You know, like gym shoes or like service.
This is my gym shoes.
Yeah, these mine. I think we got the same shoes.
Low key, yeah.
But I never know. Yeah. Period. Mine's dirty. But I don't know. I only wear them to the gym.
Same girl. I usually have these like the gym and run in the morning. But like I hardly be running in the morning. Like sometimes I run in the morning, other times I don't because I be too tired to get up.
I wake up at 8 o'clock every day. Or 7 to 8.
We have to wake up at 6 o'clock every day, but it's not by choice.
It's like, I used to wake up at that time, but I don't know. I feel like I'm starting to get like lazy.
Cause your body needs rest. Yeah. Guys, we're going the right way. Millard is up ahead. And they have parking down here. Y'all, look at the water down there. Bless you. Huh? Cause y'all see, y'all take pictures. Like, I like seeing other people take pictures. When they smile, make me smile. Like Cliff.
Say cheese right now. Look at
If you smile, you're not gonna make me smile, cause you get my nerves.
Okay.
All right. Millard, yes, I want to go camping. Would you go camping?
I have.
Oh yeah, you told me, huh?
You would?
You want to go camping?
I already have.
Let's go.
You want to go camping with us?
I do.
Sure.
Yeah, we should all go camping in the summer.
You gotta get some tents.
Yeah.
And some industrial Amazon tents. Oh, and they got campfire.
Them big ass.
You can get the big ones.
Oh, hi, doggy.
A roof roof. We should have bought our dog. Cliff, you like dogs in your car?
Fuck no.
Ooh. You scared of dogs or something?
You don't like ducks. Why you don't like ducks?
I didn't say it.
You like ducks?
I didn't say it.
Why you don't like ducks?
I don't like dogs
Tuxie
like
poo.
that.
Y'all want to go down by the water, or y'all want to like go up a little more?
I'm gonna go up until we get to it. Cause they have a little log. That's like, it's like 3 of them that you have to walk across.
Oh, nice. Oh yeah, we in there. We in there like swimwear. Oh, look at the little babies.
That's the kind of dog I got. Actually, that one look old.
Oh, look at the goatee. Hey, they said, okay, what dog would y'all think if they was, so if dogs could talk, what dog would say nigga? And then somebody was like, somebody was like, yeah, somebody was like, I bet not hear no golden retriever say nigga.
I feel like pit bulls for sure.
For sure, yeah. And rock rollers.
Yeah.
Rock rollers probably Jamaican.
Jamaican people don't even like dogs.
Do y'all like cats? Cause I don't know, I'm a cat person. I like dogs though, but I love cats.
My first pet was a cat.
Look at that bug, y'all. Oh, be careful. Oh, look at that down there. It's not about the destination, it's about the journey. Look at these. It's so bomb, huh? Look at her. I need one of them.
Y'all still want to go?
Yeah.
She look like she been going too. She red.
Cause they been in the woods.
Let's go on a log. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. One at a time. How was it, y'all?
Yeah, waterfall. Nice waterfall.
Oh.
Safe travels. I'm going this way. I walked through that. Woo, my shoes is wet, but I don't care. Through that way, I walked through the water. We walking through the woods.
Oh my God! Look, it's a cave.
Let's go in there.
Okay. Go in there.
Look, I got a stick. Wait, hold on.
I went in there last time. It's a dead end.
But is it? He said it's a lot of water in here.
I'm gonna go in there.
Dead end.
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, beware of the mud. Going on there. Girl, I love stuff like this. Oh, it's dark in here. Hold on.
Turn the flash on.
I am. It smells like piss in this hoe.
Oh, never mind, man. What? It smell like what?
Pee.
Girl, you don't smell like pee.
Look.
Take a video.
Okay.
You sure you want to go like up?
I'm all right. Oh, it's wet. Oh, hell no. It's a lot of water. A lot of water.
Right.
Like my foot is soaked. Look at me. Still going.
Okay.
Oh.
Step on the rock. It's a lot.
Yeah, step on the rocks that's above the water. Oh, it do stink like pee in here real bad.
She says my pee.
Think they be fucking in here?
Probably. Oh, look. I just soaked up my...
Was it scary?
Don't help a lady out of something? Thank you.
This is wet. I wouldn't walk down.
That was fun.
Still coming up or no?
Who, me?
No.
Are you sure? I should jump down.
All the way on? No,
Yeah.
it's here.
Oh, haha, I should have came up this way. Look at my I just almost broke my ankle. My shoes, my socks wet, shoes wet. Thank God I brought extra shoes. Oh, same, yep.
That was fun.
Yeah. You should have went in there.
I know, but
Like it
once I seen it, I was just like,
it
okay.
stank though. Yeah, it stank. Oh, you could have walked on that. This looked like a dam for beavers.
They probably built it.
Yeah, this looked like a beaver dam. Or is a beaver dam bigger than this?
I guess it depends on the environment.
I'm finna It's cold? Well, I knew that. I don't know why I asked that dumb ass question. Oh shit. This looked like a beaver dam. Hey, y'all think this is a beaver dam? For me? Sure. Oh, Harmony, remember that little bug thing that we seen at the pond yesterday? It's right here. I don't think it's a frog. Or maybe it is. I don't know. And it feels so good. Would y'all get in this water? Yeah. I would. Swim? Skinny dip? Yeah. Hopefully when we get closer to the river, it's like a big body of water. I'll get in. You washing your hands? Hey, you want to record me do this? Thank you. Oh.
Can you zoom in?
Huh?
Can you zoom in?
Yeah, you zoom in with the little, no, not that. It's that, yeah. The little, no, not that one. That one, yeah.
Oh. Do your dance, do your dance. Hey, you ugly. You your daddy's son. Hey, hey.
Know what I mean? I think I want to take the path that's not less. Oh my God, this is a big ass thing. Look. Whew. Whew. Should I walk across this because it's little? Huh? I love the wilderness. Like, I just hope my husband likes stuff like this. Cause, yeah, I just hope he do. Like, I hope he's ready for my adventurous spirit. Cause I love to venture. Like, look at me.
Oh shit.
I kind of like zigzag every time. Like, you'll get so far, then you gotta jump across, and then jump back.
I just fell. You okay? Girl, I'm good. I'm good. I'm true to this, not new to this. All right, guys. So we made it to the water finally. It's been a long journey. Oh, look at him with his little baby pouch. That's so cute. Oh my God, a swing. Yeah, that's so cool. She needed to get off so we can get on. Yeah, you want to? Let's get it a little closer. Oh my gosh, I forgot to finish recording, but after we made it to the waterfall, we started heading back to the car, and like I was kind of tired of recording. I just kind of wanted to just soak in being in nature, being in the sun, just kind of just live in the moment. I scratched myself, y'all, just like a little bit. Hold on, I bumped myself. I ripped my pants. I should have taken a picture of that. My friend was like, oh my God, you should have been recording when it happened. But I was trying to jump down from the path that we had to go up, and I guess my pants and my underwear got hooked onto something, and it just ripped. And I was like, oh my gosh. And it was like a lady and her whole family was right there, and I'm like, that is so embarrassing. But I can only laugh because, you know, I'm goofy and it didn't like ruin anything. It was just more so like a what the fuck, right? But good thing, luckily my friend Cliff, he gave me his jacket to wrap around my waist so I can cover my bottom because my booty cheek was out. I also seen a little creature that I'm very unfamiliar with. I'll include that video in this. So if you guys know what it is, comment down below. If not, or maybe myself, I can put in what the animal is when I upload the video, right? I actually, yeah. I might just include that on what the fuck the animal is. But yeah, and after that, y'all, we had a little function. We did our thing Saturday night, and you know, overall this week was a 10 out of 10. Like Friday I went out, and then Saturday I went out, and today I have to get to studying. Like it's really in the middle of the evening. It's like 5:53 right now. Gotta be. I took a nap. Like this morning I woke up, left from the room that me and Harmony got, and then we came back here, we ate, and then I went to sleep. Like I knocked out, and now I'm up. I got my rest. I'm hydrated. You see I'm sweating is because I was in here cleaning, unpacking, cleaning my room out and everything, and then I'm finna go eat dinner, and then I'm finna shower, and then I'm finna get to studying, then I gotta read. So your girl gotta get back to the basics, you know what I'm saying? You gotta have that balance of
you know, have fun, get your rest, and then get up and do your shit. Because this morning when I woke up ready to like, oh, I need to do this, I need to do that, I need to do that. Like, I already had it in my mind that today was a day that after I had my little fun this weekend, I was going to get what I need done after I rest, hydrate myself, and, you know, just wake myself up. But, anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one because I know I did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you aren't already.